Roach, get upstairs and look for the
I'm
ATS module.
trying, sir.
Roach, I've been compromised. Keep a low profile and hold your fire.
No, I gotta save you, sir. You can't die till later. Can I throw a grenade?
Go to plan B.
What's plan B, sir?
Stay close and hug the wall. We use the MiGs for cover and cross the tarmac to the southeast. Roach, follow me. Let's go.
Okay, bossy daddy, let's go. Where did you go, sir? Up there? Well, I don't know where he went. Here? What? First. Sir? Like, I don't know where we're going, or like what we're doing, or...
I'll come to you. Come to me.
Come to you. I'm in front of you. Okay.
To the east, Roach. Go.
I'll just leave him behind because I know he's gonna live, at least for now, so it's all good. Okay. No. Oh, no. It's probably fine. Oh, shit. Oh, this is not going well. Yeah, this is not going well at all. Soap, this is going really poorly, Soap! But stop sitting there in the open, sir. What is wrong with you? Okay, so you're a badass, right? Oh, yes, sir. I like your bike.
Roach, take that snowmobile. Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh, okay. Yes. I would love to learn how to use one of these right now. Oh.
Kilo 6-1, the primary expo point is compromised. We're en route to the backup LZ using enemy transport. Meet us there. Over.
Oh, I mean, sorry guys. Wait, this is kind of badass.